Look, connecting your email and your calendar to your CRM is a phenomenal way to save your reps time and keep your data in sync. Now, fortunately, Salesforce has made it really easy to connect Gmail or Outlook to Salesforce and get this whole thing set up. So let me show you how to do it. So one way you can connect Salesforce to Outlook or Gmail is when you go to import your data. So if you go to, let's say, the Contacts tab in Salesforce, you'll see the Import button at the top of the page. This opens up a wizard. You can either import a spreadsheet or you could sync with Google or Microsoft, which is what we want to do, and we'll click Next. Now here you would choose Google for Gmail or Microsoft for Outlook, and again, click Next. And here you decide what you want to sync. Do you want to sync your contacts? Yes or no? How about your calendar or your emails? All right, now that you're syncing your data to Salesforce, can the rest of the team see the details on these activities? Yes or no? All right, and that's it. Click Connect Account. And what's really nice about this is that once you have it set up, you don't need to manually associate your emails and your activities with contacts in Salesforce anymore. Salesforce has this AI that will just look at the details of the emails and the calendar items and then find who to connect these records to create that activity timeline for you. It saves you a lot of time and you have all your data in the right place. All right, and the other place that you can set up Outlook or Gmail integration is to just go to any record in Salesforce and try to send an email. So go to a contact record and send them an email. And if you haven't done so already, you'll see the option to connect your account, which leads you through that same wizard we just walked through a second ago. All right, hopefully you see just how quick and easy it can be to set up your Outlook or Gmail integration with Salesforce. So please take a second to try and set that up. And if you need more help, head on over to Trailhead where we have more resources for you. All right, thanks for watching.